Hello and welcome back to another amazing recipe. I'm really excited about today's because this one is gonna set your taste buds on fire. It combines some of my favorite things and it's super easy and super simple. It is a chicken fajita rice bowl because, you know, sometimes we just need to mix it up a little bit. All right, I have about a cup of the perfect sticky rice. Hopefully you caught that recipe a little earlier. If not, go check it out. I also have some leftover red and yellow and orange bell peppers sauteed with some onion. I also have about a half of a chicken breast diced. So we're just gonna combine that all in our rice. Put that in there. This is gonna be super scrumptious. I am notorious for finding whatever little remnants I have hiding in my fridge and making a rice bowl. Those end up being my absolute favorite combinations. You can stir it up, you can leave it layered, it doesn't really matter. Either way you like it. But this is going to be flavor packed. Now it's time to taste test it. I mean, how can you go wrong, right? With fajita mixings and a great chicken breast and some perfect rice. Oh yeah, that's happiness in my mouth right there. I love things that are this simple to put together. I love the new life that this rice bowl brings to my leftover fajita. Oh my gosh, it is amazing and it's super easy to pull together. This is how I love to use up my leftovers from eating out or even just my leftovers from what I have cooked. It literally brings a whole nother dynamic. Oh, I love doing this, so I hope you are gonna love experimenting with rice bowls too, because this one is super tasty. I can't wait for you to try it. I love you.